Okay, so today a very interesting topic we have to ask. Because of that, I'm not even going to introduce myself. Let's just move into it. Okay, so how do you learn to code if you do not have any free time? And for this, I want us to take it very slowly and listen to me. It's not going to be long though, but just listen to me. Okay, now the way to do this is, let's first think about what we exactly need 100% in order to learn to code. And the answer is consistency. That's what I want us to understand first. Yes, now I say that because imagine, let's say you have some time on the weekend, okay, and then you decide to be doing 4 hours every weekend. Now out of those 4 hours, you will learn, okay, and you get to a point, and then you stop, and then you say that, oh, I want to continue the next weekend. Okay, even that's a form of consistency, and that's what I'm saying. We need some form of pattern. So whether it's every weekend, every Wednesday, every Friday, at the end of the day, there should be some form of pattern that you are following. Now, my framework to consistency is that you do not want to stop. Forget what anybody has ever told you. Mine works. I'm saying this with my chest. You don't want to stop whatever you are doing. Okay. Now I say this because most of the times we use consistency with making ourselves seem busy. We are packing our skills back. Contrary to that, we just don't want to stop. So what do I mean by this? Okay. Now if you set a goal that you want to code 7 hours every day, and probably your goal for learning how to code is even you want to escape poverty, something like that, you're not going to be motivated enough to do it. You're going to inevitably quit. Okay, and then all that progress is going to go down the drain. So instead, what you can do is you can start from 5 minutes every day, 30 minutes every day, 1 hour every day, 2 hours every day. It doesn't even have to be every day. So let's say you code today, you leave a gap. You code on Wednesday, you leave a gap. Totally fine. Something that's not going to make you stop. Okay. And finally, I'm done with what I'm saying. But finally, I need you to have a safe space. Okay, an office. And you can see my table is over here. Okay. You need to have an office in your proximity where you spend most time, preferably at home. Okay. That when you see it, it just triggers you to study. Okay, so sometimes there are days, even on weekends, I just see the office and I'm like, I've not been into this cubicle. I've not come into this space that I've created for myself. And that automatically means that I may have not done anything productively. Maybe I may have done something on my phone, but you get the idea. Yeah, so the keys are to be consistent. Do it in a way that you're not going to stop. Do it in a way that you don't get overwhelmed, that you don't get burnt out, and then you don't get stopped. And number three is to have triggers. You need to have triggers. That helps you to learn how to code. Also, a bonus, you need different forms of content about coding. Okay, so on your breaks, okay, you watch a 10-minute video, not necessarily something technical of someone coding, but you watch a high level explanation of a concept. So you can use your breaks to get the explanations for concepts. Then you later go in to write the code yourself when you have a lot of time. I think I've spoken a lot, I'm rambling, and yeah, so that's it. And I'm going to see you in the next one.